In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods 4 to PC Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to connect your AirPods to any PC or laptop that you have running Windows 10 or Windows 11. Keep in mind that this process will work with any AirPods model, so even if you have an older iPods version, it is also going to work. You will have to establish this connection over Bluetooth, so keep that in mind. So in your PC settings, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. So look for Bluetooth and devices using the Windows search function and enable it from here. Once Bluetooth has been enabled on the PC, it is now time to set up the AirPods into pairing mode so they can be detected by the PC. To do this with the AirPods 4, you have to double tap here. So double tap after you open the lid of the case. So first open the case, so the AirPods are inside with the lid opened, and then double tap on this area here. If you do this properly, this LED should blink, indicating that it is now in pairing mode and that it can be detected by other devices. So now go into the Add Device option on the PC, and if you look under the nearby devices, you should be able to find the AirPods 4 listed here. Choose the option to connect, and they will remain connected for audio. They will remain connected until they run out of battery, or you manually remove the connection. It is simple to do, and it will work for any Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC that you have. It can be a PC, a laptop, and your AirPods are going to work flawlessly for audio, calls, and so on. Just connect them through the Bluetooth menu. If it doesn't work, make sure that you are double tapping in the correct area. Make sure that they aren't connected to any other device, and ensure that they have sufficient battery. Before I end this video, I want to highlight something I've noticed when I check the channel metrics. 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the best solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. I highly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.